So we were done with the chat UI part in our previous tutorial, and let's create the public chat system script now. So we're going to rename our scene to the chat system, and then we're going to create another script. This script is basically responsible for the public chat only. This is responsible for all the public chats that's going to happen. So this script, it's basically the same for the public chat system. We're gonna use the Photon chat system, and the same like in connect script, we use the callbacks to connect to the server, then joining the lobby, and then joining the room. Same is basically goes for the public chat system and the Photon chat system that you can say. So first of all, we'll create a chat client, and after first we'll set our settings for the chat, and once we're done with the chat settings we'll start sending messages. Okay, and for callbacks we need to add iChat client listener. So iChat client listener is giving a red line because we haven't implemented the interface yet. These are the callbacks, so we need to implement all the callbacks here. The checkline, the connect function is basically take three parameters. It takes the app ID for the chat, and then it takes the version of the app, and then the last thing that it takes is the authentication values. You can say the username, and we need to post all these three functionalities, and then we're gonna implement the interface. Once you implement the interface, you need to just remove all these base throw new system exceptions. We're going to use only those callbacks that we need for our chat. Basically, they're all are used for in the chat system, but we're implementing a very basic kind of chat system that is public chat, so we will not use all of them. When we're just going to set our nickname in the connect script to test user. For example, whenever we join, we get the name like connect user. It doesn't display the our nickname as any null name, because if I haven't set the nickname, it'll display the garbage or any random value. So you need to set it before connecting, or we need to call our set chat settings in the start function so that we can connect to the chat. And once we are connected to the chat, we need to go into the callback on connected, and we need to call subscribe to the channel. And the channel name, you can create a string of channels, and then you can pass in the names of the channel, and then you can subscribe to any channel. For right now, I am just subscribing to the channel number that is at the index 0. So once you subscribe the channel, we need to say that you have subscribed the channel. Okay, you need to come inside the unsubscribed. Obviously, first you call that you need to connect to the chat system. In order to connect, you need to pass all the parameters, and you can connect it, and you will be automatically redirected to on connected call. We are going to subscribe to a channel, right? And in the unsubscribed callback, you will say that you have subscribed to the channel. So in the update function, you're just checking that if this chat client is not equal to null, then this or chat client dot services function is basically responsible for keeping the connection. You can say it keeps the connection that you don't miss out any message. It keeps process the messaging system. So coming back to the scene, we're gonna create a chat system game object, and we're gonna attach our public chat manager script over here. And you can add as many channels as you want. I have added one channel with the name region, and then let's see whether we're connecting or we can send the messages or not. So say connecting to channel, join the channel. It means we have subscribed, right?